Welcome to another video. For those who don't know me, my name is Ester-Melissa and I'm a health coach and a life coach, and I'm here to support anyone who wants to become a healthier, stronger and happier self. I want to begin this video with something really important. This is a space for care, understanding and perspective. A space where every human experience is allowed to exist as it is. Pain lives differently in each body, and still every experience deserves respect. This video is an invitation to understand each other more deeply, so we can show up for one another with greater presence, patience, and care. A grounding truth: comparison belongs inward. One of the most important things I have learned in life is this: we are only ever meant to be compared to ourselves. We grow differently. We experience differently. We sense, feel, and notice the world through unique bodies, histories, and nervous systems. So whatever feels painful to you is real in your body, and still no human experience exists in isolation. Understanding grows when we gently widen the picture. What pain truly is. Pain is more than intensity. Pain also lives in duration, repetition, vulnerability, expectation, and whether someone is held with care while moving through it. Two people can experience pain very differently, and still both experiences are real and valid. Perspective doesn't take anything away. Perspective adds capacity for care. Menstrual pain, carried quietly by many. For many women, menstrual pain is a recurring part of life. It may include cramping deep inside the body, inflammation, hormonal shifts that affect energy, mood, and focus, fatigue, nausea, and headaches. And still, life continues. Work, care, responsibility. Over time, pain that repeats can become something that is quietly carried, something that blends into daily life. That doesn't make it small, it makes it endured. Share experience as a doorway to understanding. Many men have experienced a form of physical discomfort often referred to as blue balls, medically known as epididymal discomfort. Some doctors have described this discomfort as similar to mild menstrual cramps. This shared reference offers a doorway. If you have ever felt that discomfort and notice how it affects your focus, your patience, and your body awareness, that sensation can help create understanding. Menstrual pain at the same time may last for days, and it returns regularly. It involves inflammation and hormonal changes throughout the body. This perspective doesn't reduce anyone's experience. It expands empathy. Birth, intensity, vulnerability, and trust. Birth is one of the most demanding physical experience a human body can go through. It unfolds over time, hours, sometimes even days. The entire body participates. Muscles, organs, breath, hormones, nervous system. Pain during birth isn't sharp and brief. It's rhythmic, deep, consuming, and immersive. And still, birth is not meant to be endured alone. A woman in labor needs safety, calm presence, reassurance, and someone who stays close and attentive. Strength during birth grows through support, not isolation. C-section, birth through surgery. Sometimes birth happens through a C-section. This means major abdominal surgery. Muscles and tissues opened layer by layer. The body healing by simultaneously caring for a newborn. After a C-section, the body moves carefully. Standing up hurts. Laughing hurts. Coughing hurts. Breathing deeply may feel intense. And still, the mother is expected to nurture, hold, feed, and bond. This is where support becomes essential. After birth, the body is still in transition. Hormones shift dramatically. Sleep is fragmented. Emotions may feel closer to the surface. The body is healing, while love, responsibility, and connection expand. Understanding this period changes how we show up. Presence matters here. Gentleness matters here. A personal truth, softly held. I would never want anyone to experience the pain I have experienced. And still, those experiences taught me how deeply different people feel, process, and carry life. I don't wish pain on anyone. I wish understanding without pain. Understanding that allows us to meet each other with more kindness. Responsibility as care. Understanding pain creates presence. Presence looks like patience, gentleness, listening, and staying close. Care isn't about fixing. Care is about being there. When we understand that each person experiences life differently, judgment softens and respect grows. The principle that holds everything. So let this be clear and grounded in love. What feels painful to you deserves acknowledgement. And still, perspective helps us care for each other more deeply. Comparison belongs inward. Compassion belongs outwards. If this video helps someone, pause before minimizing. Listen with more openness. Show up with more care. Then, it has served its purpose. I don't want anyone to suffer, and still I want us to understand each other, so we can walk through life together with more humanity. I love you so much. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. If this touched your heart, you're always welcome to like, subscribe, and be a part of this beautiful community of growth and healing. You deserve a life where you feel healthy, strong, and happy. Sending you love, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.